You make my face go red and my heart race. I can feel your eyes when you're looking at me. Trying camouflage, but I still see. You can never hide from me. And you know that when the stars align, you can't hide from it. So come with me now.
Hello my honeys, welcome to I gotta get a lot of stuff done today before I leave. Update, organizing, cleaning motivation video. I have so many things to talk about with you guys in today's vlog while simultaneously cleaning and organizing my house, and I figured what a perfect opportunity to mesh it all into one single video. Today's sponsor is Lily Silk. Lily Silk is a silk-based company that provides high-quality silk for apparel and homeware and home goods. They are part of the TerraCycle, which is a zero-waste production method. They also are part of Ocotex, which is a toxin-free certificate manufacturing process as well, making sure that all your silk products that you get from them are safe and on the sustainable side. I've worked with Lily Silk on a couple occasions now, and every single product that I've gotten from them I absolutely love, especially this polo shirt I am obsessed with. This is one of my new items that I got from them, and it just looks so sharp and fresh. Additionally, I also got this one size stretchy wireless sports under bra that I absolutely love because it's so soft on the skin and it fits so comfortably and doesn't show underneath my clothing. It's just one of my favorite bras now. I've been wearing it all the time. I even brought it with me to Canada. Then I also got this silk pillowcase with antimicrobial benefits and mint included in it, and a little travel pouch to help keep my skin fresh and healthy and my hair healthy while I sleep. Not only that, to be more sustainable, their package is also very eco-friendly and recyclable. You can check out Lily Silk and everything I got in the description box down below, along with their anniversary sale that they are having. First off, you might be noticing this. What the heck is that? What is that? Introducing Haru. Meet little Haru. About 3 weeks ago, almost a month ago, we adopted the sweet little Haru. He is a 6 and a bit month old boy. I just got so much cat hair all over my shirt. my new favorite shirt. He is a sweet little boy that we adopted from the Humane Society here in Austin, Texas, about almost a month ago. Maybe it was a month ago now. Right before, like literally 2 days before my birthday. And it was a super impulsive thing that we did. And it was like, we had no idea what was gonna happen, but we were feeling like sympathetic towards like shelter animals, so we decided to go to the animal shelter and give some kitties some love. And of course, that turned into an adoption. And everything was going so amazingly until 2 days in of having him home. He was clearly very sick, even though they told us he was super, super healthy. So we had about 2 weeks straight of him being in quarantine, him being on a ton of antibiotics, painkillers, eye drops. Fortunately, he didn't have anything serious. It was just an upper respiratory infection, but it was really stressful. It was a lot of work, and it definitely caught us off guard, and that is why I haven't shared anything about it until now, that he is super healthy. That was also in my birthday week. During my birthday week, we had originally planned to go to New Orleans and spend about 4 whole days there, but we canceled that trip last minute because we didn't realize that New Orleans was in its hurricane season, and the entire time we were supposed to be there, it was going to be like thunderstorms, 99% rain the whole time. And of course, we didn't want to plan a trip there and just not be able to enjoy it. So our plan B was to go to San Antonio and spend an overnight stay in a hotel there and enjoy the Riverwalk area, which looked absolutely beautiful. But then we adopted Haru. We've come to the pet store to buy Haru and Flynn an additional litter box, because the one we have is a single cat litter box, not big enough. This one looks pretty good too, look at that. It's deluxe scratching snuggle pad. That one's cute, wow. One of these ones will be fine. and we couldn't do any kind of overnight thing, so we did just do like a short little day trip there, which will be a completely separate vlog, so don't worry about that birthday vlog coming soon. But then things got even more stressful. Once Haru was all better, HoneyBii's brother and girlfriend were coming for a visit for about 4 days, and that was pretty much immediately Haru was better. We probably had 2 days where Haru did not need to be in quarantine in his own room and could like cohabitate with us in the house. But literally the night that HoneyBii's family arrived, Flynn got like so sick and he just was like throwing up. He couldn't keep any food down. And right off the bat, if you guys remember, October, November last year, we had this whole dramatic situation with Flynn needing emergency surgery, and lo and behold, the same thing happened. To this day, we do not know what Flynn ate that caused it, but again, he needed emergency surgery. There was blockage in his stomach and he was not able to keep any food down. He could keep some water down, but luckily we caught it early enough, and the surgery was super minimal. It wasn't as invasive or dramatic as the last time that happened. So to any pet owners out there, specifically cats, I'll insert some Instagram stories because I did share this to my Instagram stories when it was happening, but I didn't vlog any of it because it was just so chaotic. Because between Flynn needing emergency surgery and family visiting for only 4 days, it was just like so stressful. So that was chaotic. So Flynn is still recovering. He has, I think, 3 days left before he has to go get his stitches removed in his stomach, but otherwise he's recovering really well with 0 issues. He's got high energy, he feels good, and he is safe, so that's what counts. Aside for all of that drama, I have been working like crazy and have been a little bit behind on getting vlogs for you guys done because I am in the middle of pivoting Glow Atelier into just kind of strictly our own brand store and kind of pausing selling other Korean skincare products for the time being. So I have been in development of our first skincare product, some skincare devices that I personally love and use, and it has been a lot of time-consuming work, but we are finally getting the ball rolling on that. But there is going to be a huge slowdown because with all of this stuff that happened literally within the past month, this is all within like 4 weeks, I now have to leave America and I have to go back to Canada to renew my visa, which is going to be a 3-week trip. So I have to be out of Texas for 3 weeks to renew my visa, which is gonna be stressful, and it couldn't be at the worst time with everything that's going on and how busy we are. So that brings us to our moment here right now, which is I literally leave in 2 days. By the time this vlog comes out, I'm already gonna be in Canada, but I have to leave in 2 days, actually a day and a half now. But I need to clean. The house has become so chaotic with like sick kitties, quarantining kitties in separate rooms, surgery kitties, guests visiting, and trying to work as much as possible and get as much done before I have to leave. So our house is a chaotic mess. So here is some cleaning motivation for you guys. If you need to get your house in order, if you need to clean up and organize, I hope seeing me get control over this chaotic situation before I leave can help you out. I have actually been having an easier time getting myself more on track by using planners. I personally, when I use like a planner, I love using weekly day planners. I don't like singular day planners because that's just like too much work. I like being able to see everything that I have to get done in a single week in one place. That's been like the best way I've ever gotten control over my like scheduling, my life, getting things done. So these are the planners that I've been using recently. I really am addicted to Genshin Impact, and I know maybe some of you guys are as well. So these are my Genshin Impact planners. They come in 48 different PDFs in one set. Weekly planners you can choose from for each single week. I am currently using Yai Miko because I love Yai Miko. So yeah, if you guys are interested in my planners that I love using, they're like $3 on Etsy and you get 46 of them, and it's like perfect. You can print them, you can put them on your iPad, you can put them on your phone, whatever you want. So let's clean. You can see my side table is chaotic. It's always this way, but don't worry. It's mostly just hand creams and controllers for the TV, and then like an iPad and my laptop that I accidentally bricked. I fried it. Somehow it got water damage. No idea how, but it is what it is. The thing about having 2 cats is that there is so much more cat hair than ever before. It's just like everywhere, especially in the summertime when you have all your fans running constantly because it's so hot here in Texas. I just can't keep up with all that cat hair. For my bedding, I'm going to be putting on these new pillowcases that I got from Lily Silk that I'm actually so excited about. Not only do I love silk pillowcases because they help keep my hair and my skincare healthy and good, but these ones are really unique because they are also mixed with antimicrobial fabric so that it helps fight against acne causing bacteria. What I really liked about this feature of this pillowcase is that it has a little compartment in the inner lining of the pillowcase where you can store things, which might seem odd to you, but for me that's a huge win. Because I have cats, I constantly have to hide my eye mask and my earplugs. I sleep with earplugs from my cats or else they chew and eat them, and having this little compartment in my pillowcase makes it not only good for home use but also travel use if you want to travel and make sure you still have your silk pillowcase on hand to help keep your skin looking fine and healthy and not absorb your skincare and keep your hair healthy. It's a really great feature for travel as well. Infused fabric called the Lily Herb pillowcase, which features some mint aromatherapy in there in the beginning to help give you a calming and relaxing experience when you go to bed. Plus, I just love this color. I really got bored of having like just plain white bed sheets all the time, and I wanted to just jazz it up and add more color into my bedroom. Issue here is I don't have enough room for all the skincare that I own. In fact, we have been living here for almost exactly 6 months now, and I still have an entire box of personal skincare I haven't unpacked because I have nowhere I can put it. I think my biggest issue with our house and not being able to maintain organization is simply that I have not taken the initiative to buy storage for this house. So even though this house is so big, the storage is really like not so existent in terms of the other bedrooms that are used as our offices and the bathrooms. Like it's all this lower stuff that doesn't really have much convenience to it. Like what I loved about our condo in Toronto is that the entire glass mirror was like a giant shelf with storage in it, and it was like perfect. Anyway, I'm going to, I guess, put this in my closet. Alright my honeys, that is it for today's vlog. I got so much cleaning done and I feel like I got it done so fast. There's still some stuff that needs to be done, but like the kind of stuff that there's no point doing until I start packing tomorrow for my trip to Canada. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Do make sure to check out Lily Silk. I'm in love with this polo. Like it like makes me look skinny, but it also looks super, super classy and chic. Like, I think it's so pretty. It's like kind of K-style vibes as well, and it's so soft. I'm really enjoying it. And the bra underneath, like I don't even notice it. It's so silky smooth. I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning motivation, get everything done / crazy update video. Haru is a chaotic kitty, but in a totally different sense than Flynn. You guys know Flynn is like zoomies, he's flinging himself everywhere, he's eating like inedible things he shouldn't be eating, he's yelling, that kind of kitty. But Haru is like a cow. He's like, we call him a little piggy. I call him Butterball. Like he's fat. Like he is only 6 months old and he's like 1 pound shy of Flynn's weight. He is so chubby. I think it's because he spent like a good chunk of his early, like before we adopted him, he was just in a tiny like cage. It's so sad. But yeah, now he has all this room to spread his feet, to run around, to lose weight. He's got such a big belly on him, and all he does is cry for food. Like he's constantly wanting food, even like immediately after he eats like a full serving, he wants more. He's just like, he's such a little piggy. It's so cute and so annoying. Like, but the sweetest little guy. I'll be sure to show more of him once I'm back from Canada and you guys can see more of the kitty boys. I also made an Instagram account and a TikTok account for them, which I'll link here. It's called Neko Neko Boys. I haven't really posted much to it yet because I've just like, this month has been so chaotic. Yeah, there will be a few more vlogs after this one of still me in Texas that I need to catch up on, and then you guys can expect to see some Canada vlogs where I hang out with my girl Liz, Rachel, I catch up with Minnie and my dad, and then I'm gonna also hop over to Vancouver and visit my sister and cousins. I'm so excited. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. To stay up to date when I'm not uploading videos here, definitely check me out on my Instagram account. I'm always posting there reels and also stories updating you guys on what's going on. You can also catch me on other social media accounts such as Twitter and on TikTok, of course. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.